Hello children, how are you all? Fine? Good. Take care of yourselves and let us start with our today's interesting chapter in grammar. Yes, something which we would like to know, which will help us to study further and be well in our grammar studies. Yes, let's start. Our today's chapter is chapter 11, present continuous tense. Yes, continuous tense, present continuous tense. Okay, we use the present continuous tense to show things happening now, at present, something which is going on, present time. Let's see. Okay, he is playing tennis now. Some activity which is going on just now. Yes, some activity which is going on at this moment, at this time, presently. Yes, he is playing tennis now. He played tennis yesterday. He had played tennis yesterday. The verb form is playing shows the present time, that is now. The form played shows the past time, the time before now, something which has already happened. So, what are these called? Verbs forms like these are called tenses. Yes, they are known as the tenses. What are tenses? A tense shows the time of any action. You will be clear with the tenses used when the action was done or when the action is taking place. The present continuous tense is used in the first sentence. When we see he is playing tennis, playing shows he is doing something just now. And the simple past tense is used in the second sentence. He played tennis yesterday. Okay. Examples of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, as we know, something which is happening just now, going on. Yes, let's see. Listen, the baby is crying. At present, the baby is crying. The children are doing their work, homework now, just now. What is mother doing? She is making a cake. She is preparing the cake. The process is going on. The work is going on at present. So, the sentence shows what is mother doing? She is making a cake. Are they working? No, they aren't. They are playing. You can see a question is asked and it is first answered with no, and then we come to know what they are doing right now. Yes, all these sentences are having a present continuous tense. Anything which is action which is happening at the present time. Yes. How do we change a word into present continuous tense? The present continuous tense, whatever is given, whichever word is given to us, the verb, that is the we plus ing. We add ing to our spelling. Yes, and whatever is happening now at this moment. So, it is known as present continuous tense. What is happening right now at this moment. Okay, let's see one example of present continuous tense in a negative form, a negative sentence. Yes, we add not to make a sentence negative. Let's see the example. The children are playing cards. But if we add not to our sentence, it becomes a negative sentence and it shows that the children are not playing cards. So, this is how a present continuous tense sentence can be changed into a negative sentence by adding not to the sentence. Understood? Let's see next. Yes, here is a chart which shows us how to change into short forms like any long form. Like for example, I am reading can be I am reading. She, he, she, it can also be he is reading can be he is reading. We are reading can be we are reading. We are reading. We are reading. This is how we usually write the short forms, or we speak the short forms in our sentences. Same way, I am not reading with a not means a negative sentence. A negative sentence can also be changed with a short form. It can be contrast with a short form. Like example, I am not reading. I am not reading will be I am not reading. Yes, he is not reading will become he isn't reading, or he is not reading. So we have shortened the is not. Yes, we are not reading can be changed into we aren't reading, we're not reading. This is how we can change them into a short form also, simple sentences also, and negative sentences also. Okay, make questions. We change the position of am, is, are like this. To make the given sentence into a question sentence, we change the position of am, are and is. Yes, I am writing correctly. Am I writing correctly? If you want to ask the question, did you see what happened with am? It's come to the first position, the starting of the sentence. Same way, they are watching TV. Are they watching TV? Tom is reading. Is Tom reading? So, we have changed the position of am, is, are in our sentences to make them into a question sentence. Yes? Okay. Some examples where we change the word into a present continuous word. Yes? The first sentence is the sun is shining brightly. So, the word shine is changed into is shining. Yes? Shine is changed into shining. We have added ing to our spelling and we have changed the word shine into shining. Now it becomes a present continuous sentence. You are wearing my shirt. I am waiting for Reena. Wait has become waiting. Something which she is doing right now. Something which is happening right now. Continuously. So, Robert and Gopal are learning to swim. They are into the swimming pool and learning to swim. They are repairing the road. The repairing work of the road is going on. So, this also shows the action which is done presently. So, this is how we use the word in our present continuous tense.